And I'm having to do the wheel nuts up because you have let me down. So I've just got to talk them up to...
Yeah, because I'm looking at
50.
cars.
Yes. When you should be fixing your bloody brakes. But as usual,
We established
the idiot,
it's not down to me.
has got stuck doing a job that he didn't want to do. Did you read what it said on that box? That you're supposed to use...
by a trained professional.
Yeah.
I.e. father.
I know loads of fathers.
What about
trained
a
professionals.
Renault Capture?
A what?
A Renault Capture.
Renault Capture.
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 Capture. Capture.
I think the best one you've said up to now is the Audi Quattro Turbo.
I didn't say that.
Oh, that
No, I
wasn't
said
you.
it, what about an Audi?
Maybe that was the other one.
What about an Audi A3?
No.
No?
They're rubbish.
Why?
They're just rubbish.
So see, every time I ask...
They're all rubbish. Every car you've said, I think, personally, hasn't come
Why
out.
does that not surprise me?
Well, I think all the cars you've looked at are rubbish.
Yeah.
Well, because you basically are a
Renault
typical woman.
Capture.
I've got an absolute abysmal taste in cars.
Doesn't really look like a it looks like a weird little car. I don't know what to look at.
Now, I think what we'll say on that, guys, is we've done it, haven't we, Tiffany?
Well, you did one, yeah.
I've done one, and I'm going to have to do the other. Now, Tiffany, if you're going to sit and choose cars. So, Supercar Blondie here is going to say what car she likes.
Oh, look, there's a little Hyundai.
Oh,
An iX35.
what about something classic?
Hyundai.
Oh, you got
No,
sodding kids
got
around you,
kids.
haven't you?
Yeah, unfortunately.
I'm going to say you're sitting next to one of the nicest looking cars you've ever seen in grey, and I put rear seatbelts in it. You could.
I just
put
really like the little
spawn.
Fiat 500, Dad. I just like it. Do you want to see it?
No,
It's blue.
I don't want to see it.
You do, because then you might fall in love with it as much as I have.
Can I say to you? We've got a Fiat Bastard.
Look, there
going.
you go. Look at it. Look how cute it is. Look.
Is that thing
Look
looks
at
like it's on
it.
steroids?
No, it's just so super
It's
little cute.
It's
Look
like a.
at it.
Oh, it's.
It's like a little bubble on wheels.
Yeah.
Oh, it's just adorable. Love it. That's the one that I want.
Have you been in a
Got
Fiat?
it
Do you know?
yeah, I've been in it. Yeah, that two people at work have got them, and that's what made me sold me.
Do you
Well, because
realise
I
how
got to-
small they are inside?
Yeah, no, they're actually quite big. Like that car's small.
That car's
That's
got a
got
boot. This got a
yeah,
boot.
and so
This
that's got a
has
boot,
got a
and
boot
it's got.
big
Do you
enough
know
to get a
what?
body
The
in.
Fiat 500's got a boot, and it's got a spare tyre. That can't fit a spare tyre in it.
You just never found it.
I never. Well, I'm telling you now, it's not got a spare tyre.
She's never looked.
I'm telling you, it's got
Have you ever
sat
looked?
nav.
What do you think all that is under there? That bit where they're indented?
Speeds. Look at the back of it. Oh my god, it's got loads of room. Absolutely perfect for what I want it for. Perfectly perfect, Dad. I think that's going to be the car.
You said it's hasn't got a spare tyre.
It hasn't got a spare tyre. No.
Right now. It's got a jack though.
Yeah, that's because I can sit in there. You alright? You enjoying that? Has it got a spare tyre in it?
Could you give me a pry bar or something?
Can I do it?
Just give me a pry bar from there. Like that screwdriver thing. Yeah, well, I'll do.
What are you doing? What are you doing? It hasn't, Dad. I'm telling you, it hasn't. It hasn't. That's it. There's nothing in there. I'm telling you.
Get me that thing with a flat edge.
What?
That thing, yeah.
Are you just destroying my car?
It's really bloody car.
You are. Don't, Dad, don't. It doesn't come out. It doesn't come out. Will you?
More than enough room in there for.
Oh, what was that? What were you just about to try and do? You were trying to make me look stupid. What did you do?
Yeah, it hasn't got a spare tyre.
Thank you.
It has, because that table thing that's on the floor should sit on top of the spare wheel.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. But there's no spare wheel in it, is there, Dad?
Oh.
Oh.
Oh, I'm going to go
I wish we could zoom right in on the little sad face. Hold on. Look at him. Look at him. Look at him. The sheer disappointment that you couldn't prove me wrong.
Well,
Right.
I just wondered why it had a jack and it's got no spare wheel.
Because
I mean, cars that have jacks usually have spare wheels. You're supposed to, the legs, it's a tripod.
I know what a tripod is.
Yeah, well, then you know that it won't stand up on one leg.
Oh shit, it's on pretty.
Yeah, only just though. Right, let the door will open. Right, yeah. Right, guys.
You're not pointing it at anything except in the middle of the floor.
So look, what we're going to point out, we're going to point out that two of them are the prettiest things I've seen, which is that Jaguar and my welder. So we'll just say that, Tiffany, you've said all your piece. You don't know what you want a Fiat. So if there's anybody out there who's got a Fiat 500X that they don't want,
or that wants to
swap it for a Type S Civic with brand new brake calipers and discs.
One side.
Yeah, well, yeah, at the moment, what's that?
Front ones are brand new.
Fronts are new, backs are new. What else will it come
Not want
with?
to swap it. No, that's no. What I want is
Give them £2,000 in your car.
Yeah.
Yeah. So, there's anybody with a Type, what was it again?
A Fiat 500X.
A Fiat 500X.
2017, probably.
2007.
Or newer.
Or newer.
Yeah, I don't want to go much lower than 2000.
Because you'd have to do the brakes and discs on it.
Oh,
So anyway, we'll have to say,
goodbye for now.
we'll say, look, it's goodbye from her, and it's goodbye from me. So Tiffany, we'll say goodbye. Bye guys, and please follow us about, like, subscribe, and on this video, it's going to be Dad doing the brakes, feet, Tiffany. Yeah, feet.
Yeah.
You remember feet?
Yeah.
He's in all them videos.
Tiffany doesn't do much.
Yeah, Tiffany's going to take that bloody wheel off. Anyway, so yeah, stop there. Goodbye.
Bye.
Hard to part, I know. But anyway, I'll be tickled enough to go. Goodbye. Say goodbye.